Good evening. Welcome to the evening forecast discussion for October 17th, 2011. And this evening I started off with the radar picture as of 10 p.m. tonight. Basically showing a developing rainstorm that is starting to get its act together over the southern plains and Mississippi River Valley and slowly building towards the northern Mid-Atlantic. For now, for much of the northern Mid-Atlantic, there are a few isolated showers, but for the most part, we're dealing with clear skies to variable cloud cover throughout the region, especially towards southern New Jersey. You have your better chance of seeing some variable cloud cover as our cold front has stalled. Otherwise, tranquil weather conditions are in place with not much going on, at least for the next 12 to 24 hours. However, things are about to change and in a big way. The infrared satellite picture clearly shows our area of low pressure over the southern plains starting to develop. This low pressure system will dive south and redevelop as an intense area of low pressure over portions of the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Now, this disturbance and this moisture is going to interact to produce a very strong storm that is going to travel up the East Coast on Tuesday night through Wednesday, producing significant rainfall for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area from Wednesday morning on through Wednesday evening, along with very strong winds. So let's take a look at the model guidance. We're going to start with the NAM model guidance, which is pretty much on par with the European model guidance and other models for the most part. The GFS is a bit off this evening, so I'm generally like for the next 66 hours, the NAM model guidance. And looking at that model guidance, the first 12 hours of the forecast is performing rather well. Moving into tomorrow morning, basically tranquil weather conditions can be expected. A few isolated showers will be possible, especially to the south of the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Moving in through tomorrow afternoon, tranquil weather conditions once again. I can't rule out an isolated shower, but otherwise scattered cloud cover for the most part. Not really that big of a deal. Winds light and variable, and temperatures near normal in the 60s. Overall, a rather pleasant day for the middle of October. However, conditions go downhill very quickly Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as our area of low pressure rapidly develops over portions of the southeast and moves north along the southeast coast. By Wednesday morning, our area of low pressure is over South Carolina. Very strong pressure gradient starts to develop. Our warm front is located just off the coast, and this warm front was going to retrograde back towards coastal New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area. But notice this pressure gradient is starting to tighten as winds begin to increase on Wednesday morning, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then by Wednesday afternoon, around 2 p.m., this low pressure system is tracking towards eastern Virginia. We have a strong pressure gradient in place. We have a warm front setting up right along the coast, producing moderate to heavy rainfall on Wednesday afternoon. It's going to be very ugly on Wednesday afternoon. And that rainfall is going to continue on into Wednesday evening, remaining heavy at times. I would not be surprised if we have moderate to major ponding on the roadways and flash flooding. Be careful on Wednesday evening when you're driving. It's not going to be pretty. And as far as the winds, they'll range anywhere from 15 to 30 miles per hour, and those winds will continue to be a threat into Thursday. How about the rest of the week once this storm leaves? Well, the good news is that by Thursday morning, this low pressure system will start to pull north. It will be windy on Thursday, but at least the rain will be exiting as dry air drives into the northern Mid-Atlantic. As we move on through the rest of the week, high pressure will take control. High pressure will be in control for the weekend, producing excellent weather conditions and temperatures pretty much near normal for the most part, ranging from the mid 40s to lower 50s for lows and upper 50s to mid 60s for highs. Nothing too out of the ordinary for the middle of October. That's your evening forecast discussion. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. As always, you can find out the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Facebook and Twitter.